Hey, it's John from Action Services, and right now I want to talk about some of the most modern and contemporary features which you could build in your backyard if you're looking to match with the style of your house or you're truly passionate about modern design. What you see behind me is some of the materials which could be used as the seating area, dining area, entertaining area, and this is a combination of artificial turf and stepping stones or slabs. What you see here is a unilock product which is used as the main stone area. And in order to create a really nice accent of a different border, instead of us using different color stone, we've actually used strips of artificial turf. The benefits of artificial turf, it requires zero maintenance. You don't need to water it, you don't need to cut it, and then it's fully permeable, so it actually allows the water to drain right through. And then the beautiful thing about the actual stone, it's a hard surface, so that's where you would ideally be positioning legs of your tables. But the really cool thing about this area is the unique design which can it bring and how much of a curb appeal it could create in your backyard. If you're looking for modern design or landscape design recommendations, we're the best guys to check out.